My name is Catherine, and I'm a math education specialist here at National Heritage Academies who focuses on kindergarten through second grade math. Today we're going to be talking about some important math skills for kindergarten readiness: numeral recognition, counting, and one-to-one correspondence. Numeral recognition is the ability to identify or recognize a written number. It is the ability to see a number like 4 and know that it is a 4. In addition, numeral recognition is the ability to identify the symbol of a number, such as the 4, and match it with a group of 4 objects. It's important for students entering kindergarten to be able to identify numbers up to 10 to ensure that they have a strong foundation in mathematics and are ready for the learning that they'll experience in kindergarten. So there are a couple activities that you can do at home to help your students with number recognition. Numbers Everywhere is an activity that you can do at home, when you're out and about, any place where there's script, there's numbers, there's words. So while you're out and you see numbers, you're gonna go ahead and point out that number. In the beginning, you'll name the number and have your child repeat that number. And then as your child begins to have a good grasp on the numerals, you'll go ahead and point out that there is a number and then have your child name what that number is. Another activity is called Number Hunt. This activity requires minimal materials, but you will need number cards. So if you have number cards, you can absolutely use those. And if you don't have number cards, you can go ahead and make those with just an index card and markers. You're gonna write the numbers on the index card. We'll begin with 1 through 5, and then you're gonna hide them around the room or an outdoor play area. Just be sure to place them in an area that is eye level for your child. Encourage your child to search for the numbers, and as they find each card, have them identify the number aloud. This activity not only helps children practice number recognition, but it also encourages movement and exploration. One-to-one correspondence is the ability to count a group of objects one by one, ensuring that each object is given a number. 1, 2, 3. When ensuring one-to-one correspondence, like I just did there, we're making sure that we are counting each object and we are touching it or tagging it so that each object is given one number name. An activity that you can do at home with your child is just counting a group of household objects. It really can be anything. You can grab snacks, toys, any of those things, and set them out and have your child count them, making sure that they are counting out loud and that they are tagging each object with one number name. After counting all the items, being able to answer the question, how many are there, is also a foundational skill students will need when entering kindergarten. Thanks for joining us today to talk about kindergarten readiness.